Welcome to Nova. Want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? You're not alone. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels are booming and some are bringing in thousands per month. In this video, I'll reveal the 3 easiest faceless channel ideas you can start today that actually pay. If you're ready to earn anonymously, like this video and subscribe for more smart strategies. Let's get started. 1. Relaxing Sounds. White Noise Channel. A white noise or relaxing sounds YouTube channel is one of the easiest, most passive, and surprisingly profitable faceless YouTube niches you can start in 2025. Think about it. Millions of people are looking for peaceful sounds to help them sleep, study, meditate, or focus during work. These videos require no camera, no speaking, and minimal editing, and yet they generate millions of views if done right. The best part? Once you upload a high-quality 2-hour or 10-hour white noise video, it can earn views and revenue for years without any additional effort. Creating these videos is incredibly simple. You can either record your own ambient sounds like rain, ocean waves, forest at night, etc. using a portable microphone, or download royalty-free sound packs from platforms like freesound.org, Pixabay, or even licensed premium packs from Epidemic Sound or Artlist. Many creators take a single 1-minute loop of gentle rain, for example, and stretch it seamlessly to a full 10-hour video using simple editing tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition. Add a calming static image or a subtle looping background like a fireplace, candle, or raindrops falling on a window. Upload it to YouTube and that's it. No voiceover, no face, and no performance pressure. These types of videos work because people leave them playing in the background for hours, racking up insane watch time. And if your video gets embedded into sleep playlists or recommended by YouTube's algorithm, it can snowball quickly. Monetization becomes easy once you hit the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour threshold. Even more, these videos are evergreen, meaning they're relevant and useful year-round. A simple 10 hours of ocean waves for sleep video could earn you ad revenue for years. To scale, you can niche down into categories like rain sounds for studying, crackling fireplace for Christmas, or brown noise for attention deficit hyperactivity disorder focus. You can also offer downloadable versions of your audio on platforms like Patreon or Gumroad, or create your own app using services like Koji or Notion-based sound libraries. Add affiliate links to sleep headphones or sound machines in your video descriptions for extra income. Best of all, this channel idea is perfect for beginners. You don't need on-camera confidence. You don't need to edit complex footage. 2. Compilation Channels. Compilation channels remain one of the most effective faceless YouTube business models, especially in 2025, when short-form and long-form motivation content continues to explode. These channels take high-impact clips, whether from interviews, speeches, podcasts, or events, and compile them into emotionally driven, value-packed videos. You don't have to film anything yourself. You don't have to show your face. You don't even need to speak. And yet, some of the biggest YouTube channels right now, like Motivation Hub or even Carmichael, are built on this exact model. The key to success with compilation channels is editing smartly and ethically. You use fair use content, often pulling short sections from multiple sources and weaving them together with music, subtitles, transitions, and occasional artificial intelligence voiceovers to tie everything together. For example, you might compile the top 5 mindset lessons from Elon Musk using short clips from his interviews, or best advice for students in 2025 using motivational speeches from different speakers like Steve Harvey, Jordan Peterson, or Arnold Schwarzenegger. These videos perform well because they condense powerful knowledge into one place and save viewers time. Your job as the creator is not to just copy and paste, but to curate to build a narrative arc that keeps people watching. You can enhance clips with cinematic background music, slow zooms, kinetic typography, and emotional build-up. Tools like CapCut, Filmora, or Adobe Premiere Pro make this easier than ever. Many creators also use artificial intelligence voice tools to add opening or closing commentary like, in today's video, we explore how some of the world's top minds think differently about success. Once you reach YouTube's monetization threshold, you'll start earning ad revenue. But compilation channels also do incredibly well with affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or brand sponsorships. Want to scale? You can hire freelancers to find clips, write scripts, and even edit for you, turning this into a full-blown content business. Another strength of this niche is that it's very evergreen and bingeable. One video might be titled, "Why Most People Fail in Life." Brutal truth. Another, "Morning Habits of Millionaires." They're timeless topics, and they can go viral at any moment. Plus, you can repurpose clips into YouTube Shorts or even TikTok for massive growth. Some creators get millions of views from a single 30-second quote or speech snippet. 3. Motivational quotes and life advice channel. Starting a motivational quotes and life advice YouTube channel in 2025 is not only easy, but it's also one of the most sustainable faceless content models for long-term success. You don't need a camera, your face, or even your voice. What you do need is consistency, intention, and the ability to match emotionally resonant words with visuals that make people feel something. Motivation is a universal need. People are constantly searching for daily inspiration, especially during their morning routines, study sessions, gym workouts, or tough days. This gives you a powerful opportunity to create bite-sized videos that truly impact your audience while growing a business in the background. A successful channel in this niche typically features videos ranging from 3 to 10 minutes that combine powerful quotes, calming music, and meaningful footage. You can use free stock video libraries like Pexels, Videvo, or Pixabay for high-quality clips of nature, people thinking, walking through forests, city skylines, oceans, or symbolic visuals like clocks, staircases, or open roads. These clips act as a metaphor for the journey of life, success, failure, growth, and healing, all common themes in this genre. You don't have to be a philosopher to create these videos. You can pull quotes from public domain authors, famous thinkers, leaders, or even modern entrepreneurs and artists. Make sure they're short, punchy, and memorable. Think discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment, or the only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Voiceovers can be generated through realistic AI tools like 11 Labs or Amazon Poly, giving your videos a warm human touch without having to record yourself. Alternatively, many successful creators just show animated quote text on screen with soft background piano or lo-fi music. These videos are consumed like mental fuel. People play them while journaling, exercising, or winding down for the night. With the right emotional tone and title, you can easily go viral in the algorithm. Monetization is also very achievable in this niche. Once you cross 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn from YouTube ads. In addition, you can promote journals, self-help books, audiobooks, digital planners, or even launch your own motivational merchandise like quote posters or affirmation cards. Print-on-demand services make this easy without upfront costs. With affiliate marketing, you could recommend a book like The 5 AM Club or Atomic Habits and earn commissions per sale. The beauty of this channel idea is its passive potential. Many of these videos are evergreen, meaning someone could find a quote video you made 2 years ago and still watch it daily. You can also batch create content, scheduling uploads for the entire week or month, freeing up your time. And because the format is simple, you can scale quickly, even hiring freelancers later to do voiceovers or editing if you want to turn it into a full-fledged business. Once your content strategy is locked in, experiment with YouTube Shorts by repurposing your best quotes into 15 to 60-second clips with captions and trending audio. This helps grow your channel fast and can lead to millions of views if timed right. Many quote channels are hitting millions of monthly views just by repackaging inspirational wisdom that's freely available. You don't need a camera or on-screen presence, just a smart idea and consistency. These 3 faceless YouTube channel models are proof anyone can succeed in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If this helped, like and subscribe to Nova for more faceless income tips. See you in the next one.